Wow, look at all of the colors in the trees. It's gorgeous. That means that it must be fall. Time to start the fall garden. Better call the Monticello.
Hello!
Hey, could you come over and help us out with our fall garden? Really? Thanks! Today on VCN News, we're going to be interviewing the Monticello as he helps us prepare for our fall garden, both outdoor and in the greenhouse. Now, let's get started. Make sure to stay tuned till the end for a special giveaway at the end of the video and how you can participate. Hi there, Trie here with VCN News. I'm here with the Monticello.
Hello! Today I'm gonna show you how to plant a fall garden.
Did you have a nice drive here?
Yes, it was very nice.
How did you prepare your summer garden for next year?
The pigs go in the garden and they clear out all of the old plants.
Wow!
Then I put my chicken in there with the pigs to help them clean up.
Interesting.
I made a chicken tractor for them.
If you would like to learn how to make a chicken tractor yourself, click here.
Yes, click right here.
Hey, can you tell me what all of this is?
Well, I planted garlic. Lots of garlic.
Where did you get your garlic from?
I get some garlic from M.I. Gardener.
Why did you decide to get your garlic from M.I. Gardener?
I got it from M.I. Gardener because they promise no nematodes. The Monticello like a bumpy toad.
When you're planting your garlic, this side here is always the roots, and this side grows. And move on to the next one.
And then I put a little dirt on top.
How did you prepare your hydroponics for fall?
Well, I'm gonna plant some lettuce. First, I put some clay balls in. Then, I put some rock wool in it. Then, I put some water on top of the rock wool. It's very important so that the seeds grow. Then you put your seeds on top of the rock wool. Then after you put your seeds in, put some more clay balls on top of the seeds.
And you said you were going to plant some things in beds as well.
Yes, I'ma plant some leeks. Once the dirt is in the containers, dig a hole in each section with your finger. Then sprinkle your seeds in. I'm using some leeks. I also made some new microgreens. I put in 12 scoops of a soil mix. To measure how much seeds I put in the trays, I used a little glass. For the broccoli rabe, I used it about halfway to the little Monticello. And then I sprinkled the seeds inside of each holder. I do the same thing with the same measurements for the salad mix microgreens. For the sweet peas, I use a full cup all the way to the top. And then I sprinkle them all over the tray. Then you stack each holder on top of each other and water them. Leave them stacked. After 1 week, I unstacked them. Now that 2 weeks has passed, they've all sprouted, and I cut each one. I trim them like I'm giving them a haircut.
If you would like to see the video where we cook 3 different recipes using microgreens, click right here.
The other things have sprouted as well.
What are you doing here?
I'm picking all the tomatoes that are still on the vines, even if they're not ripe, 'cause they ripen up inside. Then I pulled out all of the tomato plants that are still there. Make sure you get them all so they don't grow back. Then you can feed the tomato plants to the pigs. The pigs will eat them. Then loosen up the dirt inside of where the tomato plants were planted. Dig holes in the dirt with this bulb planter. Then I'ma scoop out the plants that sprouted and put them each in the hole.
Are you using a spoon?
No, it's a pasta shovel.
To qualify for the t-shirt giveaway, you need to both comment and subscribe. For your comment, just answer this simple question. Here it is. Did you like the accent of the Monticello? Tell us who you think voiced him in the comments below. Thank you! Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead.
Yes.
We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.